The Whatcom County Health Department introduces the Response Systems Division, a new division focused on serving people who lack adequate care for behavioral health challenges. Many of these community members rely heavily on 911, crisis services, or are caught up in the legal system. The Response Systems Division will house several programs that provide resources for immediate needs, short-term services, and long-term support. With this approach, we can begin to address systemic issues and improve the lives of those living with behavioral health needs, complex medical issues, and extreme poverty. By adding to the community infrastructure that helps our most vulnerable neighbors, the Response Systems Division helps everyone on the pathway to stability. Mental Health Court is a special court docket designed to improve rehabilitation outcomes for offenders through intensive, court-supervised mental health treatment. The Crisis Stabilization Center, or CSC, is an overnight, short-term facility for people having a mental health crisis or needing help with withdrawal from alcohol or other drugs. It offers an alternative to hospitalization or arrest and helps community members in need restore and stabilize their health. The center is operated in partnership with Pioneer Human Services and Compass Health. This spring, the GRACE and LEAD programs join the Response Systems Division. Created in 2018, the Ground Level Response and Coordinated Engagement Program, or GRACE, provides intensive one-on-one support to people who are frequent users of emergency medical services, law enforcement, hospital emergency rooms, and the Whatcom County Jail. Launched in 2020, the Law Enforcement Assisted Diversion Program, or LEAD, works to lead people out of the criminal justice system and into intensive case management. GRACE and LEAD intensive case managers help program members one-on-one to access services that address their short-term needs, such as food or clothing, and provide assistance with longer-term issues, such as stable housing, job opportunities, and more. GRACE and LEAD's success benefits from partnerships with first responders to bridge the gaps between emergency medical services, behavioral health, and criminal justice systems. Currently, the Whatcom County Sheriff's Office behavioral health deputies assist people in crisis due to mental health and substance abuse issues. Bellingham Fire Department and Whatcom County Fire District 7's Community Paramedic Program works with people who frequently call 911 and are often struggling to manage more complex health situations associated with aging, behavioral, and other medical issues. These deputies and paramedics get to know someone's needs and connect them to the right programs and services such as GRACE and LEAD. This personalized, tailored approach has proven to be successful in improving the outcomes of GRACE and LEAD members. In 2021, GRACE members' usage of emergency medical services dropped by 97%. Emergency department visits dropped by 62%. For LEAD members, jail bookings dropped by 97%. In the coming year, the Response Systems Division will add additional programs to address immediate and short-term needs of those in need of services. The Alternative Response Team program will work closely with a triage specialist co-located with 911 dispatch, who will be able to send two-person teams of a behavioral health specialist and a public health nurse for calls that don't need EMS or law enforcement. The program is slated to begin in mid-summer to early fall of 2022 and will coordinate closely with our existing crisis response program, Mobile Crisis Outreach Team, or MCOT. The Co-Responder Pilot Program, planned for late fall 2022, will team up mental health specialists with Whatcom County Sheriff's Office behavioral health deputies to respond to calls. Planning is underway for the Way Station, a new facility serving individuals in need of medical, behavioral health, and hygiene services, such as showers and laundry, while assisting their transition to sustainable housing. The Way Station is projected to open in 2023 in partnership with Unity Care Northwest, Opportunity Council, and Peace Health. These are just some but not all of Whatcom County Health Department's behavioral health programs, and our community partners provide additional programs and services. To find out more, visit whatcomcounty.us/health and respondwhatcom.org.